And welcome back to the Spider's Web.
Yes. Let me just zoom out for a second. So, as you can see, we have the little face in the background there.
Hello.
With the voice. Right, what do we have in store for this video? Well, it's another opening or unboxing or unpackaging. It's an unboxing video. And it's an unboxing video yet again for Sentinels of the Multiverse. And as I said, we were short of a mini expansion. We were short of this one, Choke Point. What I didn't realise as well was that we're also short of that one, Celestial Tribunal. So we have two to open. Let's get down to it, shall we? Okay, so here we are. We have Choke Point and we have the Celestial Tribunal. Choke Point is one of the villains. Celestial Tribunal is one of the environments. So let's do the villain first. Let's do Choke Point. So let's see if we can get into this pack quite easily. Yes, we can. And there we are. That is Choke Point's backstory. And now you finish looking at that. Here's her little divider card. And now let's have a look at her deck. These are going, I can get rid of that now because these cards are going straight into the big box. We will remove the wrapper. So here is Choke Point's card. And oh, these are quite, hang on, as you may be able to hear. No. It's usually when they're sticking together like that, you can hear them crack as you bend them, but you've not on this one. So that's Choke Point's card. That's the back of Choke Point's card. And there's her picture. And that's the back of the picture card. And now let's have a look at her deck. Okay, so we have stripped resources. 1, 2 of those. Material upheaval. 1, 2 of those. Kinetic looter. What is she doing with Wraith? 1, 2 of those. Augmented energy field. 1, 2, 3 of those. Empowered self-repair. We have 1, 2, 3 of those. Harvest the Mighty. 1, 2, 3 of those. Ireful Grasp, which is 1, 2, 3 of those. Newfound Power. 1, 2, 3 of those. Shocking Animation. 1, 2, 3, and finally 4 of those. That's the Choke Point deck. Done. I'll just pop that back there. And I'll put them on these cards. This card usually doesn't get used. But we'll just put them over there for the time being, out of the way, while we get in to have a look at the Celestial Tribunal. This is the second pack. We have got the complete set now. There may be a couple of promotional cards that I don't have, but I'm not really fussed about them. So, here we are. This is the Celestial Tribunal card. Let you have a quick look at that. You can pause it and have a read. And there we are. Next we have the divider card. Nice. It's exactly the same on both sides. And now we have the deck. The environment decks aren't usually as big as the villains or the hero decks. So you tend to get through these quite a bit quicker. So what do we have? Celestial Adjudicator. Called to Judgment. Character Witness. Representative of Earth. Found Wanting. 2 copies of that. The Celestial Chain, which is the one on the Divider card. And we have 2 of those. Then we have a Paragon of Sentience. 1, 2, 3 of those. Celestial Executor. 1, 2, 3, and final card, 4 of those. So that is the deck completed. That is the collection completed. There's going to be no more Sentinels of the Multiverse from me. Unless, of course, I decide to bring out some more of these little mini expansion packs, which, from what I gather, they're not doing. They've ended the run of Sentinels of the Multiverse. There may be some Sentinel tactics, you never know, but as for the card game, nope, that's it from what I believe. So that's all from me for this video, and it's all from the Sentinels of the Multiverse forever. Until it's gameplay time, that is. But until next video, as always, take care, God bless, and bye for now.